Hey guys, Old Iron Will here. So just getting ready to jump on the John Deere here and go up and pull back this Minneapolis-Moline Model Z tractor I purchased last fall. So it's been sitting up there for quite a few months now, so time to get it home. So neighbors are going to help me. We're just going to pull it home, so see how it goes.
So you just told Will, the guy that lives south of me here. No.
Oh, he still wants it though.
Yeah, he's gonna get it running.
Oh.
Yeah, he's coming. We're gonna do it to his place.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah.
I'll call you. I'll call you later on, Horace.
Yeah. Okay. You get going. Do what you have to do.
Okay. All right. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Sorry.
That's okay.
That's Orange.
I'd probably just hook right around now.
That's what I was thinking. Hang on. Yeah, no, Horace just wanted to ask me how much rain we got. I said, not a hell of a lot. And he says it started raining in town about midnight.
Oh, really? Did we get a tent?
I don't know. I never even looked in the rain gauge. I can't see from the house.
Yeah.
This way. Here. So. Oh, goddamn fucking mosquito. There. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm gonna get on here and check the brake. Well, we'll pull it out of here first, and then we'll pull it out after. Just go straight ahead that way.
Yep.
We'll just pull it straight out, and I'll check the tires.
Okay.
Because I think the brake is probably on here too. Shit. What the hell? The gas cap is gone? What the hell?
Really?
Yeah, and it was there.
Yeah, because I'm sure it was there in the fall.
Yeah.
Ready?
Just go straight ahead.
Okay. about perfect, I think.
Because everything works except the air conditioning.
Well, that would have worked if I would have put it in a higher gear.
So let's keep it for Jimmy.
Well, that went about as easy as you could expect.
Well, I just used to have a problem.
No. I'm just glad it's not seized, so.
Well, there was a Telma's here in the shop, and then when Gilbert moved it, he put it in his place in an old granary,
Okay.
and then the hood was on, but it just where the hell did the gas come?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh well. I'm sure I can get one.
And that's only a 6-volt battery. Just,
Yeah. I don't have one, so.
okay, no, I just,
Go. Probably the first thing I'll do, I'll take off all the buzzsaw stuff, right?
Uh-huh.
So, because I don't need it on there.
well, yeah, what if you have to clip wood?
So the guy has a chainsaw now for.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing, that was one reason why Dad bought it.
Okay.
Because it had a front end loader on it.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, because it had a Charlet pump too. But I don't know, I don't remember. Somebody bought it, but I can't remember who the heck bought the front end loader.
Okay.
Yeah, it had a front end loader. It was useless, but
Yeah.
you know,
A lot of those old time loaders.
yeah, it was useless, but yeah, it had a front end loader on it. It's Charlet pump. Yeah, everything was gone. I don't remember who bought it or where it went. I have no idea. It's a pump that's off here.
Ran off the PTO.
Off the PTO.
Okay.
And I see one cover is missing too. Do you think that's bad? Resiliency?
Anyways, here's the Mini, guys. Got it home. I'll just give you a quick walk around. It's not stuck. Probably the first step I'll do is pull off all the steel and everything for the buzzsaw apparatus that they had rigged up there. So it is missing the exhaust pipe. Manifold and everything's there. Fortunately, the gas cap's been missing. I don't know how long it's not been on there. So it's got a lot of organic matter and stuff. It's parked underneath a bunch of trees, so I'm sure it's leaves and all that stuff has been filled in there. So guy's gonna have to take the tank off, figure out how to get it a good flush. Tires are all holding air, so you know, it needs some TLC, but say not being stuck, I think it should start and run. You know, we'll see. Hopefully the starter works on it and everything like that, and we'll see what kind of shape the carbons and all that. But guy may have to rig up an organ donor tank for a little bit here just to give her a try, and you know, clean plugs and points and stuff like that. Hopefully the coil's good, and just kind of go through some of that stuff, see if it'll at least run. Oil is doesn't look bad in it. It's a little bit dirty, but you know, no water or anything in it that I could see just from the dipstick. So anyways, that's the Mini, guys. That's what I brought home today. So I'll put the year in the comments and maybe just down on the bottom of the video here. So thanks, guys. Everybody have a good day. Talk to you again. Please like and subscribe.